Good morning. What is your name?
This is Shireesha, sir.
Okay, sir. Can I have your resume?
Here it is, sir.
Okay, fine. So, before going to the resume, can you introduce yourself?
Sure, sir. Firstly, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself to you, sir. So this is Shireesha. Basically, I'm from Kannada, which is famous for the temples. And currently, I'm studying Parbhani to be a successful career. So I did Bachelor of Science, Agriculture from Parbhani University. Personal Agricuiture with 81.0%. And I will have a 6 months of internship experience in Java, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And some web services as well, and I came to know how to build the dynamic web applications by using the ASP, and I came to know how to give the connection between Java and SQL, and I worked with some DBL and VNMKV commands as well, and I do have a good knowledge in manual testing. So coming to my strengths, I'm a proactive person who always looks for solutions and ways to improve. And another one is I'm a hard worker. I always look for getting opportunities and get the challenges. And coming to my family, I'm belonging to the nuclear family. So that's all about me, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I thought that you know already Java knowledge. And why you choose testing?
So testing is my passion. As a tester, it feels happy and providing feels happy and providing good, by providing product by providing good product to the customer.
Okay, can you tell me the difference between a project versus product?
If software is developed by a specific person, so it is also known as the based on the client requirements. It is also known as the project based company. So if software is developed by the multiple users based on the client requirement, it is also known as a product.
Okay. So, for every application also mandatory we need testing.
Yes, sir.
Is the testing is mandatory?
The testing is mandatory, sir. So every software application needs for some purpose. If testing is not done, if any users find any defects, so company will get some loss.
Okay, why testing is important?
Uh, every software company needs for some business. So if testing is not done, so if any user find any defect, so it will be while using the application, so it will get the impacts on the application and it will get the impacts on the company. So that's why testing is important.
Okay, can you define what is defect and a bug?
Defect it is a formal name and it is a deviation of with the respect requirement. And but it is an informal name of the defect. Whenever tester found by the defect, it should release this to the developer. So if once developer accept it, it is termed as a bug.
Okay, fine. So, can you tell me the difference between developer and a testing unit?
Sure. So, developer can build the software applications and test engineers can break the applications by finding the defects, and the developer should good at knowledge and test engineer can good at creative, and the developer can have a positive thinking and test engineer can have positive and negative thinking. So the developer can aims for the construct of applications and the test engineer can aim for the perfection.
Okay, fine. What is software testing?
Software testing is a functionality of an application by the intent of finding the defects and check their behavior of availability based on the client requirement. It is also known as the software testing.
What are the types of software testing?
We do have two types of software testing. First one is the manual testing, and second one is the automation testing. Sir. Manual testing it is a functionality of an application which is going to happen without using the tools. It is also known as manual testing. Here, the functionality of an application which is going to happen by using the tools. It is also known as the automation testing.
Okay, what are the types of the testing we are doing?
We are doing white box testing, black box testing, gray box testing, sir. White box testing going to done by the developers, and black box testing going to done by the testers, and gray box testing going to done by the both testers and developers, sir.
Okay, fine. And what are the models in the SDLC?
So we do have 7 models in the SDLC. First one is a waterfall model, the spiral model, VNMKV model, ISN model, prototype model, and hybrid model, and derived model. So these are the 7 models we do have in SDLC.
So when we will go for the each model, can you explain?
Sure, sir. Like when the customers gives exact requirement to the client, so we should go for the waterfall model. When the customer needs, when the customers gives the requirement part by part, we should go for the spiral model. When the customer is not clear about the requirements, so we should go for the prototype model. Exact when the customer needs high quality, less time, so we should go for the agile model. And we should go for the hybrid model when means like with a combination of two models like waterfall model and prototype model. And when coming up with the new models from the old model, so we should go for the like derived model. So it is also known as the agile model.
Okay. For each model, specifications is same or anything is different?
So some little bit difference will be there. So each model.
So what is the main difference between the waterfall model and the spiral model?
Main differences are like when we go for the waterfall models, like we can expect the stable requirement. There are no there are no disturbances for the team members if requirement does not change. So when we go for the spiral model, so we get some delay when the requirement can changes.
Okay, fine. So can you tell me why developers are not involved in the testing?
Developers always look for how to build the software applications. They would be overconfident on applications, how they can do. So they know how, like they can easily find their own mistakes, even though they will hide it, sir. So that's why they won't show much interest on finding the defects.
Okay, fine. So can you tell me what is the difference between static and dynamic testing?
So static, it is approach to test, reviews, inspections and walkthroughs. So it is also known as static testing. And dynamic testing, it means it is approach to test actual software.
Tell me the difference between QA and QC.
QA, it is a QA, it means it is a quality assurance. QC, it is a quality control. QA, it is also known as the verification. QC is also known as the validations. QA aims for to prevent the defects, and QC aims for the identify the defects. And QA does not involve into the executing the programs. QC does involve into the executing the programs. It is a method to manage the quality verification. It is a method to identify the quality verification. It is a preventive. QA is a preventive technique, and QC is the corrective techniques. These are the main differences QA and QC.
Okay, can you explain about SDLC?
Sure. So SDLC means SDLC, it is a software development lifecycle process, and it is a procedure for developing the software applications. We do have a different phases in the software development applications. The first one is requirement gathering, collection gathering, and the second one is analysis and feasibility study requirement. Third one is the design. Fourth one is the coding. Fifth one is the installation requirement, and the sixth one is the support and maintenance. So in requirement phase, what we are going to do is usually customers gives the requirement to the client. Client gives the requirement to the BA through BRS or CRS to the BA. So it will convert into the SRS by the BA. BA means business analyst. He is the bridge between the customer and software company. So why we are giving requirement to the BA means he should be good at communication and convincing skills, and he has a good technical skills. So once requirement as collecting, so it goes to the software company. Their HRs will take the requirement, will collect the requirement, and if, architectures will go for the design part, and finally PM will take project manager will go for finalization, collects the all information from the customers, and he takes the next procedure. So that's why we are calling as a decision making phase. And also it is also as a feasibility. So once analysis done, we go for the design part. Here we do have two levels: high level design and low level design. So high level design, it means that it is a blue, it's just like a blueprint. So it shows the external specification, and when it comes to the low level specification, it shows the internal specifications. So once coding is done, we should go to the developing part. So here, developer starts coding through the source code by based on the requirement and design. So once when coding is done, it goes to the design part, it goes to the testing. So in developing part, developers will be involved. So after application goes to the testing, so testers will be start finding the defects. If they find any defect, they should release it to the developers. If they developers will need to accept the defects, and they will refix it, and they will send to the testers. So once application is done, so we should ready to release the application to the market. So if end users find any defects, supporting team has to take the maintenance. So this is all. initially it is a free and later on it will be paid. So like the paid suggestion will be between the company and customer. So this is all about STLC process, sir.
So mostly the customer, why customer want to change the requirements?
So when he wants to do the updates, when he like when he expect the new requirements, so he should go for the
Okay, what is positive testing?
testing the application with the possible and impossible ways. So it is also known as a positive testing.
Okay, that's it.